Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my channel. So we are at a beach house right now, and this is my second vlog from it. So if you haven't seen the first vlog or the beach house tour, I'll link those down below. Guys, we are about to dye my sister's hair brown. So she's dyeing her hair in the other room, and basically on video it doesn't look red, but you can see the redness in the pictures. So I'll insert like some red hair pictures. It's so red and she doesn't know it.
I'm so scared.
Wait, which mirror? Are you going bathroom? Oh, this one?
Oh my god!
Is it redder than you thought?
It's redder than I thought, but I love it.
Good morning, guys. Happy July 1st. I'm walking down on the beach this morning. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god, I don't know what to do though.
Nope.
Yeah, so I googled it, and basically seals just like to do that, like sometimes wash up on shore and just chill, and so that was fun. It's doing waves. Oh.
Jimmy, you are so special. Jimmy, I know you come back someday.
Yeah.
And Jimmy, I know you're safe and happy.
Yeah.
Jimmy, I love you.
Let's see. I know
Goodbye.
Got Jimmy. We got little glass Jimmies. It's later. My aunt and her 3 kids are here.
Oh, just us two.
Cassidy!
Yeah, Cass, get up.
Move! That was a good one. Hey guys, so we're going to the mall today. I lost my camera case, so it's just so annoying. Everything is just pissing me off right now, so I'm trying to not be annoyed. This shirt with a black bralette. What are the chances I'm editing this while I'm wearing this? I love this shirt. What? They call it PacSun because Pac, Pacific, Sunwear, Sun, PacSun. We're gonna do a mall shopping haul for you. So I went to Bath & Body Works. They're having a huge sale, so I got all this stuff for $11. Then at American Eagle, I got this tube top. And at Brandy Melville, I got this shirt. Haha, so funny. I got underwear.
Alright, so what I got is this bralette, and I got these 2 scrunchies from Francesca, and a shirt. Hollister tube top from American Eagle, and this shirt from American Eagle, and this shirt from Brandy Melville. And I got this stuff from Bath & Body Works.
Is we are DIYing a Nerds rope. That's melted gummy bears right there. And then of course we have Nerds. Oh, cute. So we're in the car, and we're on the way to go meet my aunt and cousins for pizza or something. 45 to 50-minute wait. My mom's like, okay. It's really intense right now. So the pizza just came. I got margarita.
Yeah. You guys have GPS?
Jimmy's, Georgia.
My Jimmies are great. Really cool.
So I got a cotton candy.
Can I try it?
Yeah. And that's all for the vlog. That's all for the vlog. Woo woo. Poop.
I don't look like poop. Your wardrobe looks like poop.
Poopy.